Welcome to the video introduction to GenAI in education. After watching this video, you will be able to describe the role of AI across the instructional design lifecycle, differentiate between general-purpose and specialized AI tools in education, and explain the key factors when selecting AI tools. Imagine an era where educators inspire and motivate learners rather than solely concentrating on test scores and grades. There is a shift towards a more holistic approach to teaching that values creativity, critical thinking, and personal growth alongside traditional academic achievements. With generative AI, or GenAI, teachers are better equipped to identify learning gaps, tailor lessons, and bring multimedia content to life to inspire learners. This is not a distant dream, it's today's reality. Let's discover how AI is revolutionizing education now. An instructional design lifecycle is a process involving 5 phases that you can follow to create effective learning programs and experiences. The ADDIE, or ADDIE model, is a popular instructional design model that is based on the instructional design lifecycle. The 5 phases are analyzing, designing, developing, implementing, and evaluating learning materials. Let's discuss them one by one and see how AI can help you during each phase. In the analysis phase, you gather and analyze learning needs, audience characteristics, and contextual constraints initially. You can use AI during this phase to process and analyze student performance data to identify learning gaps. Khanmigo, an AI teaching tool developed by Khan Academy, has a class snapshot feature for real-time feedback. You can generate detailed learner personas from demographic and performance data and do existing course analysis to identify areas that might need improvement. GenAI can also support you in creating and processing assessment surveys. In the design phase, you develop learning objectives, instructional strategies, and assessment frameworks for your course or teaching material. GenAI can help you generate or review learning objectives aligned with the curriculum, create instructional strategies and strategy recommendations, develop assessment frameworks or guidelines, and design course outline structure. Next is the development phase, where you create instructional materials such as videos and readings, activities, assessments, and experiences for your learners. All this may seem overwhelming, but GenAI makes it quite seamless and helps generate these instructional materials. You can use GenAI to develop assessment questions and their distractors, multimedia content scripts, practical lab exercises, and real-life scenario-based open-ended problems. In the implementation phase, you deliver instructions and supporting material to your learners. AI can help you create implementation guides and lesson plans and generate support documentation. You can also use it to develop teacher resources, presentations, and adapted student support material. The last phase is evaluation, where you develop assessments of instructional effectiveness and learning outcomes. GenAI gives you the ability to analyze assessment results, especially for open answers, generate feedback reports and improvement recommendations, and process course evaluations. Next, let's examine educational AI tools, which are divided into 2 categories: general purpose and specialized. General-purpose AI tools are broad-spectrum AI platforms that can be adapted for educational use through effective prompting. For example, IBM Watson X, OpenAI's ChatGPT, Claude by Anthropic, and Google Gemini. These tools require prompting skills, but they are highly flexible across multiple tasks and cost-effective. They need strong output validation, but offer a broad knowledge base and retrieval-augmented generation, or RAG features. Specialized educational AI tools are purposely built platforms designed specifically for educational tasks. Examples include Khanmigo, TeachFlow, and Gradescope. These tools have built-in pedagogical best practices and are highly accurate in specialized domains. They often require institutional subscriptions and regular education-specific updates. Some of these tools can be integrated with existing educational systems. Now, you might be wondering, which tools should I use? Here are some considerations for tool selection that'll help you make a decision. Firstly, you need to look at technical factors, such as integration capabilities with existing systems, scalability and performance requirements, data security and privacy features, and updating frequency and maintenance needs. Next are educational factors that include the tool's alignment with pedagogical needs, support for different learning styles, assessment capabilities, and content customization options. Finally, you'll also need to consider the practical factors of the tool, including costing and licensing, training requirements, and support and documentation. In this video, you learned that an instructional design lifecycle involves 5 phases: analyzing, designing, developing, implementing, and evaluating learning materials. GenAI can be used during each phase to support the creation of your learning content, strategies, and frameworks. General-purpose AI tools are broad-spectrum AI platforms that can be adapted for educational use through effective prompting, for example, watsonx and ChatGPT. Specialized educational AI tools are purposely built platforms designed specifically for educational tasks. Examples include Conmigo and TeachFlow. While selecting an AI tool, you must consider technical factors such as integration capabilities, educational factors such as support for different learning styles, and practical factors such as cost and licensing.